Well, looks good. We turned the furnace on with the thermostat upstairs and everything seems to be operating perfectly. I'll check. I don't think there are any error codes. They would be yellow. I'm going to check that in a minute. But I'm going to have a look at the flame here. It's looking good. Beautiful blue flame. What we like. No hint of orange or yellow. Getting complete combustion. Going into the second stage of the blower. Looks like it's been healed. Perfect. Don't need a new furnace. Save yourself $3,000 because technician Chad came with his trusty combustion analyzer. Checked the flue gases, proved that there were no cracks in the heat exchanger. In fact, this furnace is 100%. No issues at all. Really, it was just a motherboard that needed to be rebooted. Thank you, Chad.